So my chain just broke, and at first I thought it was the master link that had broke, but it actually turns out to be just a normal link. And unfortunately for me, I don't have a chain tool on me. So I'm going to use a hack that I learned where you, hopefully it'll work for me, find the master link right here. So I'll find the master link here, and I'll take off this chain section of chain, and hopefully I'll have enough slack to make a single loop over a gear, and it'll essentially become a single speed gear, and I'll omit the derailleur route altogether, and that should get me home. Well, as you can see, removing that section of chain gave me too short of a chain to even go around the smallest cog. So, looks like I'm hiking it.